Having prescription medications can mean the difference between life and death. And of course, in emergency situations, there may not be access to a hospital, doctor, ambulances, EMTs. So having a simple set of medications like this is key, but we always want to have ones that don't break the bank. And that's why I love Ozio Medical. They are prescription drugs at a fraction of the cost. And today we're showing this kit, the Contagion Kit. And it's filled with all kinds of drugs, pharmaceuticals, in case you catch those nasty cooties. Like, for example, a viral respiratory infection. They can be fatal. So this kit is amazing for this. Now, I am a physician, but I'm not your physician. Make sure you check with your own physician before these. And of course, the people at Ozio Medical have physicians on staff that you can talk with. But my point is, I'm not giving you medical advice. I'm simply just showing this a product from a company. In reality, listen, I trust Ozio Medical. They are fantastic. All right, so I will link it all below. Let's jump right into it so you can pick up yours today. Now, for each of these, I'm not going to show you the label, give away my personal sensitive information, but the first is a Z-Pak. This is a medical standard, especially in the United States, azithromycin. This is an amazing pack. I'll go ahead and open mine up. So azithromycin, it is a broad spectrum antibiotic, which specifically we're looking at like secondary infections, what it usually is used to treat. But again, being a standard in the US has so many things it can fight against. Everything from respiratory, skin infections, and even in some cases some STDs. So chlamydia, Lyme disease, middle ear infections, pneumonia, of course with the lungs too, strep throat, traveler's disease, and even whooping cough. Again, out of anything, listen, I love Z-Paks. They are a fantastic antibiotic and something every kit should have. Next up, something you don't typically find in other kits is albuterol. This is amazing. In this one, we're looking at it being an inhaler. It is a bronchodilator. In other words, relaxes the bronchioles in the airway, allowing air to get in when you're actually having trouble with, for example, like asthma or like exacerbating problems with like COPD. This is great. And the thing is about albuterol, when you take it in the lungs, it's fast acting and easily can save someone's life. Next up is dexamethasone. It is a steroid, specifically a corticosteroid. It works amazingly well to decrease inflammation, for example, like in the lungs, because it can be used in situations like asthma, cerebral edema, or even if you have certain autoimmune conditions. Next in the kit is acetaminophen, good old-fashioned acetaminophen. It is over-the-counter, obviously, so not that big of a deal, but it is something when it comes to contagion you certainly want to have in your kit because it's going to do a great job as a pain reliever, helps out tremendously, and also as a fever reducer, an antipyretic drug. Next up is dextromethorphan. This is a fantastic drug to have in your kit. Overall, what it does is it actually reacts with the brain and reduces the reflex to cough. And I'm sure you've had a contagion before, absolutely terrible, where you cough a lot. Well, this is going to take care of it so you will not cough, or at least drastically reduces it. Because I'll tell you right now, respiratory contagions, that coughing will drive you nuts. So it makes a lot of sense this is in the kit. And finally, hydroxychloroquine. Amazing. So here in this situation, what it is, it's an immunodulatory, which simply means it reduces specific pathways of immunological responses. It doesn't lessen your immune system or responses, that's bad, but specific pathways, and actually helps with certain disorders like, for example, lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, malaria, and among other things too. So look at all the drugs that we have here specifically, and they work to help you with contagions. It's a perfect kit, by the way. And Ozio Medical, very smart for putting this together, because when we talk about situations where you do not have access to like hospitals and doctors, a crap at the fan situation, contagions literally may do you in. And these pharmaceuticals will certainly help. So contact our fine friends at Ozio. I'll link it below. They have physicians on staff that'll help you get everything you need. And again, compared to other companies, they are a fraction of the cost. So link it below. Go ahead and check it out. And as always, thanks for watching with Goshen Prep, and we'll see you next time.